Here's a quick one for you. When fitting these rear covers, which I'm just about to do, Land Rover in their infinite wisdom put a nut and bolt through here. Well, it's alright if you've got the window out at the back, you can fasten it up. Or, if you've got a friend, you can, well, do it with a friend, I suppose. What I do, I put a little speed nut, like that, look. And then you can put a self-tapping screw from the outside, and it'll fit really, really nice. So when you've got your cover on, you'll see a little screw come through. And then the hole is quite big, so you'll have quite a bit of wriggle room to move that around, and that will save you an awful lot of time and frustration. And use a stainless steel screw as well, and next time you need to take it off, because there will be a next time, you'll be able to get into it okay. Alright? Nice tip, that one. That'll save you a lot of time. Talk to you later.